Hi, welcome back everyone. This is Matthew Cox. Today I'm going to be reviewing 3 of the best cordless vacuums. After doing research, I found these cordless vacuums that are truly the best on the market right now. I've embedded the links to the products in the video description so that you can check them out. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Shark Navigator Freestyle Cordless Stick Vacuum, SV1106. A powerful cordless upright at only 7.5 pounds. Features a 2-speed brush roll for optimal carpet and bare floor cleaning and pet hair pickup. The extra large capacity dust cup is easy to empty and allows for extended cleaning without interruption. Place on the precision charging stand when finished to recharge. It features rechargeable cordless convenience, provides premium pet hair pickup throughout the home, powerful and lightweight, portable and versatile at only 7.5 pounds. 2-speed brush roll, optimized for carpet and bare floors, extra large capacity easy to empty dust cup, extended cleaning without interruption. Precision charger, charges in 4 hours and doubles as a storage dock. Black & Decker CHV1510 15.6 volt cyclonic action cordless dustbuster. This is a good performer and a great value from Black & Decker. From its lightweight to its slim rotating nozzle and cyclonic vacuum action, the CHV1510 has all the features you need in a portable cordless. It features 15.6 volts of power, powerful cyclonic action keeps suction stronger, longer. 3-stage filtration system keeps air cleaner and reduces clogging. Longer, slim rotating extension nozzle provides more comfortable vacuuming and better access to hard-to-reach places. Removable, washable, easy to empty, translucent bagless dirt cup. Handy onboard tool storage for brush and crevice tools. Wide mouth nozzle design handles larger debris. Flexible 3-way storage capability, horizontally, vertically, or wall mounted. ENERGY STAR approved charging system, charging indicator light, 24-hour charging time. Hoover Lynx BH50010 cordless stick vacuum cleaner. First ever stick vacuum with Hoover's patented wind tunnel technology and the convenience of cordless. Powered by Lynx 18-volt interchangeable lithium-ion battery for sustained cleaning power. One-touch brush roll activation and cyclonic filtration. Edge cleaning bristles allow for closer access to walls and corners. Low-profile base allows for easy access under furniture, and wide mouth opening lets the vacuum pick up larger items.